Engineering Mathematics Semester 1 Unit 2 Functions of several variables. The first topic is partial differentiation. In partial differentiation, if a function z, it is a function of x, y and y. In partial differentiation, if z is differentiated with respect to x, then y will be act as like a constant. So partial differentiation will be denoted by the symbol dou. Dou z by dou x means differentiation of the function with respect to x and keeping y as a constant. This is simply denoted as function of fx. Fx means differentiation of the function with respect to partial differentiation of function with respect to x. Same way, partial differentiation with respect to y may be denoted as fy. This is the first order differentiation, and the second order differentiation again, if we differentiate this function with respect to x, we write as difference dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. This is the second derivative, and this will be denoted as dou square z by dou x square. And if we differentiate this with respect to y, again differentiate with respect to y, dou z by dou x, this will be written as dou square z by dou y and dou x. Okay. In the same way, if we differentiate this with respect to x, that is differentiation with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x, we get what we get? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Normally, dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to dou square z by dou x and dou y. The notations are like f of x is partial differentiation with respect to x, and f of y is partial differentiation with respect to y, and same thing, this will be denoted as fx, f double x. Differentiation of partial differentiation two times, it is fxx, means partial differentiation of z with respect to x for two times. And same thing, y means partial differentiation of z with respect to y two times. And f of xy means partial differentiation of z first with x and again y. Okay. Let us go for an example.